Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And cannot push update. It's getting error in from the Microsoft Store. So how to fix? I click to start, then click to setting. After that, click app, and then click to install app. Then find out Microsoft Store. Scroll down, and if it is not can find the install app, then scroll down, then click to system component, and after that you can see the Microsoft Store. Okay, and then click on three dot, then click advanced option, then scroll down. First click re- reset, then repair, then terminate, and when it is completed then close it. Then next step, so click to start. In the search box type cmd, right click to run as administrator, and then type this command ws reset.exe, and after that it will open the Microsoft Store. So no worry, you can close it. If it is not if it is not open, so click so close this, and then click to again start, then click to powershell, and then right click to run as administrator, and type this command. And this command I will give in description, so you can copy paste, otherwise you can type manually also. Okay, and then hit enter. And after that, taking some time to fix this and reset this Microsoft caches. Okay, and then close it. Then need to check the services if it is working or not. So same, click to start and type services.msc, and you can type only services, then right click to run as administrator, and then press Microsoft M, then find out Microsoft Store installer service. Okay, so if it is already working, and if it not working, so double click to open it, and select manual, and click on manual, select the automatic, then stop it, and then click to start again, and then apply, and then click to OK. And right and left hand side you can see restart options there, so select once again restart. And one more policy services need to check Windows update, so press W and find out the Windows update. So Windows update, select this, and you can see it's already running, and if not, so select automatic and apply OK, and then left hand side already you can see it's there, so select this, and left hand side click to restart. So after that it will start the restart this service. Okay, and then close it. Then next and very important, click to start, type cmd, and right click to run as administrator, and then type sfc space slash scan. Now this is very important command you have to run in your laptop, and after that hit enter, and then it will start the percentage. So when it is 100% completed, then need to restart your system. Okay, thank you.